probably heard this quote before. Every expert was once a beginner. That's a short little quote, but it's powerful. Because when you're sitting at the piano, feeling frustrated, comparing yourself to someone who makes it look effortless, it's easy to forget that they once sat where you are right now. No one, not even the greats, started out as a master musician. Every piano player you admire began with clumsy fingers, wrong notes, and a lot of patience. So let's talk about what we really mean when we talk about someone who is an expert. Now, we sometimes imagine an expert as someone born with magical talent, somebody who just gets it. It could be that folks may have come up to an expert piano player, an expert pianist, after a masterful performance, and they sincerely comment, "Oh, you have a great gift." At that point, this supremely talented, gifted piano player might be thinking, "Gift? Schmift. I worked hard to get where I am." In reality, an expert is simply someone who didn't stop when things got hard. They showed up day after day. They practiced when they didn't feel like it. They worked through mistakes instead of running away from them. Hey, even Bach had to learn counterpoint. He wasn't born knowing it. Even Beethoven had to practice his scales. And when you think about it, that's incredibly freeing because it means you don't have to be an expert to start. You just have to start. You just have to begin. You know, when I think back to my early days as a piano player, I cringe a little. I'm kind of glad that YouTube didn't exist back then. I remember fumbling through pieces that now feel very simple to me, tripping over rhythms, struggling to control both hands, wondering if I'd ever get it. Some things may have come easy, but other things I had to really work at it. But what kept me going wasn't perfection. It was curiosity. I wanted to understand music. I wanted to feel it. And over time, the pieces started coming together, not all at once, but slowly, like putting together a giant puzzle. And that's the beautiful part of learning as an adult. You're not just training your hands. You are awakening your mind and your heart. If you're a mature adult learning piano, whether you're taking lessons or teaching yourself, I want you to hear this. You're not behind. You're on your timeline. You bring to the piano something that a young student doesn't have. You bring experience, emotion, patience. Sure, your fingers might not move as fast as they used to, but your ability to understand, to listen deeply, to feel the music, that's your superpower. When you sit down to practice, celebrate the small wins. And I've talked about this before. Celebrate the times when a passage finally flows. The day when you can read a lead sheet a little more easily. The day that the chord progression that you're playing suddenly clicks and you begin to understand how that chord progression works. Celebrate the day that you learn a new song or a song that you've always wanted to play. You've learned how to play it, and perhaps a little more quickly, a little more easily. Each of those moments is proof that you're not just learning piano, you're becoming a musician. Every expert you've ever admired, from Chopin to Oscar Peterson, or whoever your favorite piano player is, they all share one trait in common. They never stopped learning. They made peace with the progress. They knew that mistakes weren't proof of failure. They were steps towards mastery. You see, I've been a piano player for many, many years, and I'm still learning. And that's the mindset that turns a beginner into an expert. Not talent, not age, not luck, just persistence and love for the music. So, Next time you sit down at the piano, and remember, whenever I say piano, I mean keyboard as well, remind yourself, every expert without exception was once a beginner, and you're on the same path. One note, one chord, one day at a time. If this has been any kind of encouragement to you, leave me a comment. Tell me what you're working on at the piano right now. And remember, you're not too late, you're not too slow, and you're definitely not alone.